Yo, what's up? CyberOx here. Today's tutorial is about C++ number 5. Now, yeah, so pretty much what we're going to be going over today is, what should I teach? Well, I think I'll just have to teach y'all about the char function. Now, the char function is, if you've seen my first video, whenever I started getting into it, was basically about words and letters. Alright, so you can enter words and letters on char. You cannot enter words or letter on integers or doubles. You cannot do that, or square roots, but that's in a different story. But let's go and get down to it. So I have two variables, or two functions named char. Now we're going to give them a name. I'm going to give them a name, and the next one is going to be L name. Quite literally, I gave them a name. Okay, now you want to add two little box squares, which is, I'm using Toshiba, and it's a laptop, and it's actually below the plus and equal symbol. Just hit those two, do not hold down shift, or you will come up with squiggly brackets. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and type in any number in here. 50 is a great number to start with. Alright. And I will get to the reason for that in just a minute, but we're going to set it equal to, alright, we're going to put that there. Alright, the first one is going to be Michael, or you can name it whatever. And the next one's going to be Myers. My first name is actually Michael. Alright, and don't forget to add your semicolons. Alright, now let's go ahead and let's get down to this, and let me go ahead and explain why. Char basically equals, we're going to add a function with letters and words, and the variable of char is called name, and this is simply showing how many characters in a name, basically how many letters are going to be in this word. Basically you want to do 50, because unless you type in a really long word at a time, then you're going to have to boost it up to like 999,000, you know. So your best bet is just do 50 for right now, because Michael is less than 50 and Myers is less than 50 as well. But basically it's just saying, hey, it's going to be 50 characters or less. Alright, and so yeah, we're going to do that. And this is where it's going to be kind of, not really tricky, but kind of stupid in a way. But we're going to go and see out, and we're going to put this, and yeah, we're just going to go ahead and semicolon here. And we're going to type in here, alright, I'm just putting my brother is, alright, and that's about it. I'm going to put C out, and I'm going to type in name, and that's it for that. I'm going to put C out, I'm going to type in L name, go ahead and end it there, or actually no, I'm not going to end it there, I'm going to put inline. Alrighty, and let's go ahead and clean some of this stuff up so it looks professional, you know. Alright, so now what we got is character name 50, and char name. Char is the function, name is the variable. Michael is what's basically replacing name with what the variable is, and same thing with last name, under 50 characters, and the last name is called Myers. And basically it's going to come out to say my brother is, and it's going to see out the name, and then it's going to see out the last name and end the line, so it looks pretty. So let's go ahead and run this. I'm sorry, I had to take care of something, but anyways, I'm just going to simply run this program. So yeah, we're going to run this program. Compile and run. And we won't get any errors. And the reason why I had to put them on separate lines, because if you were to put my brother is, and then put name, L name, then in line, it would not work. Apparently, characters have to be on different lines. I guess I have no clue. Looks like we have an error, and I'm waiting to see what it is, because normally whenever it shows file and it says where it's located at, there's an error. Oh, well, that's why I forgot to add the little things in here. Alrighty, so now we're gonna do it again. Why? I said, I even said I don't have any errors. I know what I'm doing. Well, evidently everybody messes up. So anyways, we're gonna run. And it popped up behind this thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and shrink some of this stuff. as well. I might have some other stuff loaded up in the background. Kind of don't want people looking. Alright, so let's go ahead and shrink the whole thing instead. Yeah, it's kind of a shortcut. Oh, I hate my computer sometimes. Actually, most of the times I hate it. Alright, here we go. And it pops up saying, my brother is Michael Myers. You know, and with all those inlines, the pressing the keys down here so we can actually see the program without any interruptions. So yeah, let's go and load up dev one more time. And here we go. Here's the code for it. And the outcome shows that. So yeah, this is how to do char. Char functions within C++. So yeah, let's go ahead and break it down like a fraction one more time. Alright, so we got char, a function declaring. We're going to use letters and words. Name is the name of the variable, which is the placeholder for the char, which is also the placeholder of Michael. And this shows how many characters or less is going to be within this one. And same thing with this one. This is the variable. It's going to be how many within this one as well. We're going to see out my brother is, put a space so it shows up Michael Myers spaced out. And we're going to see out name. And I did not end line, because if I end line, Michael would have been on top, Myers would have been below Michael. But I want them to be on the same line, so I didn't end line. And C out, L name, which is last name, and then end line, because everything else is below. So yeah, that's how to use the char function in C++. So as always, thank you for watching CyberRocks, and God bless. Oh, real quick, if you are staying to this part, don't forget, head to my site, check it out, and apply for CyberRocks. I'm pretty sure you can get a position with ease. Thanks for watching CyberRocks, as always.